Say hi. Hello, what's your name?
Miles.
Miles, are you going to make me laugh? Touch his hair, touch his hair. Touch the hair. No. Just the hair over here. Touch. Touch with your hands like this. See? Oh, he's tickling. He made me laugh. He did? Come on, say hi. Hello, what's your name?
Michael Jr.
Michael Jr. Nice to meet you. Touch his hair, touch his hair. He's tickling. Hey, Duncan. Yeah? You know what? Some kids over here, they don't think you're very smart. Are you a smart donkey? No, I'm smart. Are you? Yeah. Can I give you a little test? A test? Yeah, a little math test. Oh, I'm good at math. Are you? Yeah. I'll give you a little math test. Now? Yeah, now. Can you handle it? Oh, yeah, I can handle it. Okay, let's suppose you have 10 peaches. 10 peaches. Yes, 10 peaches and you eat 9. What do you got? Diarrhea? Everybody say, Hey, give him a salute like this. Give him a salute. Give him a salute like that. Hey, they give me a salute. You like that? Yeah. Can I give them a salute too? You want to give them a salute? Yeah. How are you going to do that? Like this. Everybody say, bye, Duncan.
Bye, Duncan.
Okay, see you later. It's so funny. They made me laugh. Stop that. That's enough.